Follow these steps to weigh items with the Presto FreshDaddy Vacuum Sealer with digital scale. The precision scale can be used to weight foods up to 4.4 pounds and can display the weight in ounces, pounds, grams, or kilograms. The vacuum sealer ships with the scale platform detached. Fasten it by inserting the screw on the bottom of the platform into the threaded hole on the vacuum sealer. Spin the platform clockwise until it is fingertip tight. It can be removed for cleaning by turning it in the opposite direction. Plug the unit in by rotating the protective rubber plug on the back of the vacuum sealer. Insert the power cord into the power cord port and then plug the other end into a wall outlet. Wait 30 seconds before use to ensure scale accuracy. Press the tare button before weighing anything and do not put items over 4.4 pounds on the platform. To use the tare feature, place an empty container on the scale and press the tare button. The display will reset to 0. Then place the food in the container and the food will be weighted without including the container weight. For accurate weight, center the item in middle of the platform. Press the Units button to select the desired units of measure. Choices are ounces, pounds, grams, or kilograms. During operation of the vacuum sealer, you may notice that the weight displayed may vary from 0. This is normal. Before using the scale again, be sure to push the tare button to reset the scale to 0.